Good morning, dear students. This is the continuation video of Europe for Standard 7 children. Dear students, in the previous video, you already learnt about the location and the political divisions of Europe. In this video, you will learn the physical features of Europe. As you all know, Europe is famous for its variety of landform and its physical features. It is considered as a separate continent because of its distinct features. Europe has waterfalls, islands, rivers, snow covered mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. So, on the basis of this, we'll learn the physical divisions of Europe. The four physical divisions of Europe are Northwestern Highlands, North European Plains, Central Uplands, and Southern Mountain System, which is further divided into Alpine Mountain System and Southern Chain of Peninsula. In this video, you will get to know about the Northwestern Highlands. Northwestern Highlands, this mountain extends from the east towards the west, that is the Ural Mountains, from the Ural Mountains till the Atlantic Ocean in the northeast. It includes the mountain system of Finland, Norway and Scotland. So, the Northwestern Highlands comprises the old mountains of Norway, Finland and Scotland. They consist of sedimentary, metamorphic and igneous rocks formed by weathering and erosion. The Northwestern Highland consists of the oldest mountains of Europe, and its highland have been eroded for millions of years, and these are also known as Caledonian Mountain System. It stretches from northeast to southwest and forms the backbone of present Scandinavian peninsula. So, Caledonian Mountain System are European mountain range. They run from Arctic Ocean through Scandinavian and Scotland and form the backbone of present Scandinavian peninsula. Let's study the map. This is the Northwestern Highland. This is one picture of a Northwestern Highland. So let's study the map. As you can see in the map that Northwestern Highland comprises the mountains of Norway, Sweden and their extensions lies in Scotland, Wales and Ireland. It consists of the oldest mountains. These are some of the mountains of Northwestern Highlands. Now, these mountains can be further divided into Ural Mountains, Scandinavian Mountains and Mountains of Britain. So, Ural Mountains separate Asia from Europe. Ural Mountains, it separate Asia from Europe, and they are very low and much diffused in the south. These are 220 kilometer long. So, Ural Mountains separates Asia from Europe in the east, and they are very low and much diffused in the south. These are 220 kilometer long. Scandinavian Mountains. Scandinavian mountains exist on Fennoscandia, which includes Scandinavian Peninsula, Finland and Kola Peninsula. Even the Northwestern Highlands are also known as Scandinavian Highlands, and its northern part is known as Fennoscandian Shield. And due to glacial erosion through the ages, these highlands have been reduced to sea level. But in some area, they stand up as masses of mountains. So, due to erosion, glacier erosion, and weathering, these mountains are now decreasing in height. And glacial lakes are found in abundance. Hence, Finland is known as land of thousand lakes. This is the Scandinavian mountain. Mountains of Britain. These are made of old crystal rocks and they are glacially eroded ones with rounded peaks and have U-shaped valleys. And Baltic Shield, the highland around the Baltic Sea is called Baltic Shields, and they are made up of ancient, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Thank you, students. In the next video, you will get to know the next physical feature, that is North European plains.